Hey, what's up? So recently I repaired an electric bike, and as part of the process I added a lighting system to the wheels. The way it works is there are glow-in-the-dark stickers attached to the wheel rims in the area where the brake pads don't make contact. I then have 3 UV LEDs per side of each wheel that shines a light onto the sticker that charges the glow. For the stickers, I simply got some glow-in-the-dark tape and cut them into individual pieces and attached them to the wheel in a circular shape. Now originally I was going to use glow-in-the-dark paint, but the paint I ordered was a bit low quality and it would crack when dried, so I resorted to using the stickers I bought as a backup. If you do choose to use paint though, make sure to try and do it on a light surface so it glows better. And if you do have a dark surface to begin with, it may be worth painting white first as it reflects light better. I also know the stickers will probably fall off at some stage, but it seemed to fit my purpose. Now the next piece was the UV LEDs. For this part I ordered a bunch of UV LEDs rated at about 3.6 volts, 20 milliamps, and I created a 5 volt circuit that would power these LEDs. The LEDs would all be in parallel, and I would need a single resistor to get the 5 volt source to match the LED specs. Now with the LEDs in parallel, we needed to supply a total of 3.6 volts and 12 times 20 milliamps of current, which meant that across the resistor we would need 1.4 volts and 240 milliamps. And using Ohm's law, R equals V divided by I, we found that the resistance we needed was 5.833 ohms. Since they don't make these as standard resistors, I rounded this up to 5.9 ohms and combined a 3.9 ohm and 2 ohm resistor in series. Now the power running through this resistor would be current squared times resistance, so estimated at 0.24 squared times 5.9, which equals about 0.34 watts. So it would be recommended to use 0.5 watt rated resistors. I then used some random plastic bottles and containers I had around the house to make the LED encasement, but modeling something and 3D printing it would obviously be a much better solution if you have that option available. Then I added the LEDs, soldered the wires, added a bunch of hot glue to insulate the connectors, and finally attached it to the bike frame. I then powered the circuit with a 5 volt output from a power bank. And voila! The light system is done.